So guys, we're out here today with the Massachusetts crew and Jess and Thomas, and we are exploring a mansion right now. Also guys, this house is slanted up here. Like the floors are just slanted. So that's interesting.
She's not good at that. She's good at telling other people to shush, but she's not very good at it herself. Just crazy. I found a weird thing, pottery thing.
Yeah, there's like so much to do with this set. This is a lot, guys.
So as y'all can tell, this guy was a painter.
Read this.
Oh!
As usual, I'll link all their Instagrams in this description so y'all can check them out.
Thanks, AJ. I'm such a...
Always.
They have Lysol.
Yeah, I brought my six out.
Something big lived in that.
Yo!
Guys, this is awesome.
I can't wait to flow through the floor here. Because there's so much trash and paintings.
Who was this guy?
I don't know.
No one important apparently, because all his
painters are the
paintings
same.
are in his... Oh, that's his workshop out there.
Something.
No, it's got the workshop lights and stuff.
I'm gonna fall down the...